Hello there and welcome to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about the channel and specifically Patreon. This week I have launched my Patreon page to give people the option of supporting the channel via pledges on a monthly basis. Alongside this new Patreon page, I have also set up a new dedicated Discord server where my Patreons can actually have access and they'll be able to talk to me on a regular basis, get help and info on all of the products that I talk about on the channel. But I would also like to build up a community in the background to allow people to actually get help from each other, from me, and we can actually share a lot more stuff with you, share some behind the scenes stuff, give you guys access to some stuff that I don't actually show on the channel itself as well. Now, I have set this up with 3 tiers of pledges. The first is $3, which is about the cost of a cup of coffee. And for this, you'll get access to my dedicated Discord server where you will be able to talk to me on a regular basis, but you will also be supporting the channel to help us keep making content in the future. Further to that, I have set up a $5 and a $10 pledge as well. And via these, not only will you have access to the Discord server, but you will actually become a highlighted member. You'll get access to some dedicated live streams for the highlighted members, as well as have the option of being put in videos and talked about and mentioned within my content as well in the future. Now, if you would like to support the channel via Patreon, there is a link to it in the description of this video. And by doing that, you will help us keep making content on things like the DJI RoboMaster, the Pixhawk or Ardra builds, the DJI FPV system, the rover build, Hurlink, the Mavic 2, the oscilloscope and the test equipment, and I am going to squeeze in some camera related content as well. So if you do want to help keep making that happen in the future, please do consider the Patreon option, or there are links in the description of the video as well. And I also want to thank everyone who does use those links, as well as the people who support us via PayPal and things like that too. That is it for this one. Thank you very much for watching. Please do hit that subscribe button and I will do another video again soon.